Hey guys, this is Fundo on Chupagama. Tonight on Uzalo, Nosipho and Pastor Kwala attempts to be a friend turn out awkward. And it seems like Kunzi does not want Nosipho near Pastor Kwala. But Pastor Kwala, it seems like he still loves Nosipho, but he does not show it on Nosipho. While Mbata begs for the church building, Mbata wants the church. Nomaswazi is feared the worst about her mother deteriorating health. Lily finally stand up for herself. Razo found himself in trouble with the law. And it seems like Mondley wants to stop Lily. After Lily goes to K Marsha FM without telling Mondley. But it seems like Lily tell the truth Mondley. While Razo sit with his girlfriend, and it seems like all people see that Razo is wanted, and her girlfriend asks him, but Razo deny the suspicions. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Yeah, for thanks.